So ACEMIC sent out this mic system. It's 4 microphones that can be connected to this one receiver. So this one receiver has been done pretty well. For example, it's easy to use and it has a built-in battery, so you can use it, for example, on the small X-Double speaker. And then you can use all 4 microphones with this speaker. But because I don't have like 4 people around here, I used one mic. And the 2 things I can say about the mic: the overall connection quality and range is pretty well done. And even this like protecting like holder, but also like it is pretty easy to keep and hold on the microphone. It is also pretty great to just place this thing anywhere where you need it. The only thing that I would say that could be a bit better on this microphone is that you don't have USB Type-C charging. So all the microphones need like 2 new batteries. And this may be the biggest complaint I could give about these microphones, that why they didn't try to do something with USB Type-C. But it's pretty cool overall system. So I will now switch to the microphone on my camera, and then we're going to showcase how this thing works with this speaker. So let's go into that small scenario. So I'm now standing a few meters away from this speaker, and as you can hear, there's some echo effect on the microphone, but it's alright. I did notice that it's pretty well focused on giving you clarity. So this means if you want to talk a bit low, it is still pretty clear. So for some maybe this could be a bit of an issue, because let's just face it, it's maybe not the most natural sound profile. But I do notice that it's pretty well in sync. So there's not too much delay between my voice and the receiver to the speaker. This does make this thing pretty well. So now I'm in the room with even some walls between, and it still is working. It's a pretty cool system overall. So let's go back to me in the image. So it's pretty clear this microphone system works pretty well. So there are only 2 things that I really didn't like that much. Of course, the swappable battery situation. I do think on this kind of system, especially with this receiver, that you do need, I would say, also here USB Type-C and rechargeable battery, because this unit does have it. And also, it's not maybe the biggest complaint, but the overall output is maybe a bit too much to the clarity side. So this means I do have a pretty low voice, but it doesn't really pick that up. So this means that it's pretty well for clarity, and I do think it's pretty well like hearable, and also people will understand you. But it could maybe have a bit more warmth in the sound that it's transmitting. But I do think overall it's a pretty cool solution, especially because they are like 4 microphones. You could do a lot of cool things with this, like karaoke, but also like talk with more people at the stage. So it's a pretty cool system overall. And ACEMIC does also have some other options, like with less microphones or even a bit more, like professional system. But this one is, I would say, a good in-between system. It's not too expensive, but it is still pretty practical. Yes, its output quality with the vocal and the warmth in sound could be a bit better. And I do think that the echo on the sound is maybe a bit too much. So you do have a bit too much echo on the overall experience. But again, it's an okay system. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one.